Hello everybody, welcome to another Breakaway SC eBay box break. This is the 12/13 Panini Prime box break number 56. Just going to quickly show you that this break has ended. Showing you the last team. So here you go, number 56, Edmonton, as always, is our last team up for auction in our single box breaks. And this ended 29th last night at 7:29 Eastern. And quickly before we just get started, I want to plug our website. It's www.breakawaysc.com. Check it out for our next live group breaks. This Sunday we'll be doing another Prime Team Select case break. You can go to the website, you can click on this banner or to the drop down menu under group breaks. Currently there are still 20 teams available. 10 teams got scooped up pretty quick last night. But if you want to go check it out, you can see all the teams and prices. And we should have our 13-14 Artifacts breaks up this week as well. So check out the website when you get a chance. So this serial number is NE190969482. Quickly to show you that. There you go. Good luck, everybody. Prime pack. Start this off with the base. Short printed, 4 of 5 for the Anaheim Ducks of Bobby Ryan. We got a primetime rookie for the New York Islanders, number 33 of 50 of Matt Watkins. It's in a Phoenix jersey, but this is an Islanders card. And we got a primetime rookie for the Washington Capitals, 34 of 99 of Che Genoway. And he's in a Minnesota jersey, but this is a Capitals card. Sweet hit here. Showcase patches, number 12 of 15 for the Dallas Stars of Riley Smith. And we got a Prime Rookies, 229 of 249 for the Nashville Predators of Chet Picard. And Dominion pack. Got a base 17 of 125 for the Detroit Red Wings of Gordie Howe. And finish this box off with a rookie patch auto, 84 of 99 for the Anaheim Ducks of Matt Clark. So that's it for the Prime Box Break number 56. Thank you very much for participating. Please check out our website, breakawaysc.com, for our upcoming live breaks. And as always, we've got 2 boxes of Prime up on eBay tonight and pretty much every night. So check those out if you want to put in some more bids. Thank you very much, guys. Hope to see you in on the next one.